The Maruti Suzuki Ignis facelift Zeta variant has been updated with the Smart Play Studio infotainment system. The touchscreen system was previously available on the range-topping Alpha variant of the hatchback. The new feature though brings a price hike on the BS6 Ignis Zeta variant that is now priced at 5,98,000 rupees for the manual variant and 6,45,000 rupees for the AMT version. All prices ex-showroom Delhi. Compared to the prices announced in February for the facelifted version, the new model is now more expensive by 8,500 rupees. The Ignis Zeta was previously available with a 2-DIN audio system which now gets replaced by the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The feature-packed unit offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. It also comes with live traffic update via the Smart Play Studio app. The Zeta trim does not get a reverse camera which still remains exclusive to the range-topping Alpha variant. Bengaluru-based electric mobility startup Ather Energy has announced a fresh investment of 84 crore rupees by Hero MotoCorp. The new investment increases Hero's stake in Ather to 34.58%, up from the previous 31.27%. The world's largest two-wheeler maker had originally announced an investment in Ather of 205 crores in 2016. The fresh investment is part of the 130 crore rupees that Ather Energy plans to raise in the next 5 years as the company expands its dealership network, export operations and charging infrastructure. Ather will commence deliveries of the 450X electric scooter from October onwards, while it will be expanding presence to newer cities including Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi and Mumbai. Ather also has a 400,000 square feet facility in the pipeline that will boost production to 1 lakh units per annum. Maruti Suzuki has kickstarted bookings for the all-new S-Cross Petrol in India. Maruti Suzuki has given customers the option to book the S-Cross online or at the company's dealerships for a token amount of 11,000 rupees. The new BS6 compliant S-Cross will now be offered with a 1.5-litre mild hybrid petrol engine and will be sold as a petrol-only model. The 1.5-litre 4-cylinder SHVS engine produces 112 brake horsepower and 134 Nm of peak torque. It will be paired to a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed torque converter. Maruti Suzuki has sold over 1,25,000 units of the S-Cross since the model was launched in August 2015. The facelift model arrived in 2017 with cosmetic upgrades. The crossover is loaded on features including a touchscreen infotainment system, start-stop function, auto climate control and more. It was previously offered with only a diesel engine.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.